Yes, hello guys, welcome to our next video. We managed to secure one of the orders, so we are doing a scalloped rattan sofa. So this is how it begins. First, all frames have to be binded with the rattan before doing the final weave. All the round bars. This is how we start, such that when you weave, no metal is supposed to be seen, because the idea here is to have a full recane of the cane. So this is called rattan chair binding. Here we are using 3mm round cane. Yeah, this is how we do it. So before that, we always make sure we put the corners. Make sure the corners are fully covered with the cane, so that when we start weaving, that is when we're able to have a very fine look. The secret is not to have the metal seen. So this is how we basically do it. The kind of frame we bind on is in two types, but this one is on it's called a furniture frame. Basically, it's a furniture pipe which is 18 gauge. It is easy to carry, and the good thing is that it has a very strong look. Yeah, so most people like to use aluminum, but we don't use aluminum because it's not as strong. And then the advantage of weaving on metal is it's easy to repair. So this is what happens before we weave the whole frame. As you can see, the whole frame has been binded with the rattan on it. It will be completely sealed once we've finished doing this. I truly urge you guys to please like and share our content. This is exactly how it will look like before we start weaving. So this is part 1 of the video. So to break it even, we'll have it in 3 different parts. So the first part we have here, as you see, this is rattan binding. So we'll share next on the next video. Thank you so much, and I would like you guys and would urge you to please like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you so much. See you next later.